Oh man, imagine holding a smartphone that crushes flagships with battery life, snaps photos like a pro camera, and runs smoother than silk. All for under $400. Is this the ultimate budget king that's about to change your life forever? Stick around, because I'm about to blow your mind with the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your tech buddy, Barakit, and today we're diving deep into the hottest new release, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro. This beast just dropped globally in January 2026, right after its December 2025 announcement, and it's already causing waves in the mid-range market. Price starting at around $399 in the United States. It's packed with features that make you question why you'd ever spend double on a premium phone. We're talking a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display, a 200MP camera setup, and a battery that lasts forever. But is it all hype, or is this the real deal? In this no BS, ultra-detailed review, I'll show you everything. Unboxing tests, pros, cons, and if it's worth your hard-earned cash. If you're hunting for a phone that delivers insane value, this could be life-changing. Let's get into it. For the parent, this is the only way to ensure your family's daily routines aren't being tracked by unknown entities. In a society that demands you be connected at all times, the ultimate luxury and the ultimate power is the ability to disconnect on your own terms. We live in a world where the predators are invisible and the threats move at the speed of light. You cannot fight these threats with traditional locks and keys. You need a shield that is as advanced as the technology used against you. Don't be a statistic in a hacker's database. Don't let your privacy be a product for sale. Take control of your signals. Secure your assets. Protect your freedom. Because when you own a Faraday shield, you don't just own a bag. You own the right to be forgotten. Invest in your digital fortress today and finally experience the security of true silence. Take charge of your digital life and ensure that your private information remains exactly that, private. The future of your security is in your hands, and it starts with the decision to shield yourself from the invisible eyes of the modern world. Every second you wait is a second you remain exposed. In an age of digital surveillance, silence is not just golden, it is your only defense. Reclaim your identity. Reclaim your peace. Step into the fortress of total signal isolation. This is your life, your data, and your choice. Thank you for choosing true security. Now, let's talk about what makes this phone a total game changer. First up, that insane 6,580 milliamp hours battery. Guys, this is revolutionary for a mid-range phone. Imagine going 2 full days without charging, even with heavy use. It's not just big, it's efficient thanks to the 4nm chipset. Second, the 200MP main camera with OIS. This isn't hype, it's mind-blowing detail in every shot, low-light magic that rivals phones twice the price. Zoom in on a photo, and you'll see textures you never knew existed. Game changer for content creators. Third, the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor paired with up to 12 GB RAM. Multitasking is buttery smooth, gaming at high settings without lag. If you're like me, juggling apps all day, this will transform your productivity. These three alone make the Redmi Note 15 Pro feel like a flagship killer. Pure desire in your pocket, diving deeper into the battery. In my initial tests, it lasted 10 hours of screen time with mixed use, streaming, social, calls. That's life-changing for travelers or busy pros. The camera? OIS means steady videos, and the AI enhancements auto-tweak shots to perfection. Processor-wise, it's future-proof with 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and efficient cooling. No overheating during marathons. You won't believe how these elevate your daily grind. Let's geek out on the specs. This is where the Redmi Note 15 Pro shines. Starting with the display. 6.83-inch AMOLED panel at 1.5K resolution, 1280 by 2772 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate for silky scrolling, and peak brightness up to 3200 nits. Outdoors, crystal clear, no squinting. Compared to the Note 14 Pro's 1080p screen, this is a massive upgrade. Sharper, more vibrant. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it's tough against scratches. Design-wise, the aluminum frame adds durability, and the back's matte finish resists fingerprints. Ports: USB-C 2.0, no headphone jack, bummer for some, but IR blaster for controlling TVs, cool throwback. Under the hood, MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra on 4nm process. Octa-core setup with speeds up to 3.0 GHz. It's 20% more efficient than the Dimensity 7300 in the previous model, handling AI tasks like photo editing seamlessly. Camera breakdown: 200MP Samsung sensor main with OIS and EIS, 8MP ultra-wide for landscapes, and a 2MP macro, basic but functional. Front: 20MP selfie cam with beauty modes. Video: 4K at 30 frames per second, steady and detailed. Battery: 6,580 mAh with 45W wired charging, 0 to 100% in about 70 minutes. Software: Android 15 out of the box with HyperOS 2, clean, customizable, with 4 years of major updates promised. That's huge for longevity. Compared to rivals like the Samsung A55, similar price. The Redmi edges out in battery and camera megapixels, but Samsung wins on ecosystem. Enthusiasts, note the UFS 3.1 storage for fast app loads, up to 512 GB options, no microSD though. The vapor chamber cooling system keeps temps under 40 degrees Celsius during gaming, impressive for mid-range. Overall, the design is ergonomic, with curved edges for comfort. If you're into specs, this phone's balance of power and efficiency is next level. This is the meat. Real-world tests where hype meets reality. First, battery life. I pushed it hard. Morning routine. Emails, social media, 2 hours of Spotify streaming. Down only 15%. Then, a full day of navigation, calls, and YouTube. Ended with 40% left after 8 hours screen time. Over 2 days, easily hit 15 hours total. Compared to my old phone, it's unreal. I couldn't believe it when I forgot to charge overnight and still had juice. Charging: 45W got me to 50% in 30 minutes. Lifesaver for quick top-ups. Now, camera tests. Daytime shots? Jaw-dropping detail. Zoomed into a leaf, saw veins crystal clear. Low light. Noise is minimal thanks to OIS. Night cityscapes popped with vibrant colors. Ultra-wide. Solid for groups, but edges distort a bit. Not perfect, but for $399? Insane value. Selfies. Natural skin tones, no over-smoothing. Video. Shot a 4K walkthrough, stable, no jitters. But in windy conditions, audio picked up noise. Mic is good, but not pro level. Performance. Gaming PUBG Mobile on high graphics. 60 frames per second steady. No frame drops after 45 minutes. Multitasking. 10 apps open. Switching seamless with 12 GB RAM. Heat, mild warmth, not uncomfortable. Daily grind. Comfortable in hand for hours, no fatigue. Software. HyperOS 2 is intuitive, with AI features like auto brightness that learns your habits. Mind blown when it adjusted perfectly in varying light. Surprises. The IR blaster controlled my AC effortlessly. Forgot how handy that is. Flaws. Bloatware apps pre-installed, but easy to uninstall. Long-term. After a week, no slowdowns, feels fresh. Rhetorical question. If you're a student or a commuter, can you imagine not worrying about battery? Wow moments. Capturing a sunset with that 200MP sensor, colors exploded. But in heavy rain test, simulated, IP68 held up, no issues. Overall, this phone thrives in real scenarios. It's addictive. More on audio. Stereo speakers deliver clear highs, decent base for movies, immersive Netflix sessions. Display and tests. Watched HDR content, blacks deep, colors punchy. Gaming battery drain, 20% per hour on max, still impressive. If you're like me, always on the go, this handles the chaos beautifully. Epic battery life that lasts ages, game changer for heavy users. Stunning 200 MP camera with incredible detail and stability. Smooth performance and multitasking thanks to Dimensity 7400 Ultra. Bright, vibrant 120Hz AMOLED display. Perfect for media. Great value at $399. Feels premium. 4 years of software updates. Future-proof. Cons. No wireless charging. Missed opportunity. Ultra-wide camera is average with some distortion. Plastic frame might not feel as luxe as metal rivals. Bloatware out of the box. Annoying to clean up. No micro SD slot. Storage locked in. Brutally honest, it's not flawless, but pros dominate. This is perfect for budget-conscious users who want flagship-like battery and camera without breaking the bank. Students, travelers, casual gamers, or anyone tired of daily charging. Skip if you need top-tier ultra-wide cams or wireless charging. Go for Samsung A series instead. Price value? Unreal. $399 gets you more than competitors like Moto G or Pixel A series in key areas. Alternatives: Google Pixel 9a for better software, or Samsung Galaxy A55 for ecosystem. But honestly, this could genuinely upgrade your life. More time living, less plugging in. If you're ready for that thrill, grab one. If this review fired you up, smash that like button. It helps a ton. Subscribe for more honest tech deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss a beat. Comment below, would you buy the Redmi Note 15 Pro, or what's your current phone? Check the affiliate links in the description for the best deals. Your support keeps this channel going. Thanks for watching. Remember, the right tech can change everything. Stay awesome. Catch you in the next one.